to do first off is to give them a nice rinse with cool water. Look at this fella, very feisty here. You're going in McCullough pot soon, so you can be feisty all you want, mister. As a matter of fact, I'm going to start off with you. This type of crab has a sharp back, and I'll show you what I mean. Come on, let go of your friend. Yo, look at how they grab it now. But the back is very sharp, see? And that is going to affect things. What I like doing is going right here down to the bottom and pull out the sort of belly. So the belly opens up there. Or if you want it to be cruel, what you can do is take a knife and cut off the claws, and then Mr. have nowhere to go, right? These guys are being a pain in the butt, man. But anyhow, so this is the sort of the face, the front here is the front, the eyes, the claws. What I like doing, and the reason why we're going from the back is so the sort of pinchers of claws don't get to you. And I like to put my knife just below there between the shell and pull back. And it's going to take a couple tries to get it right. You know, if I wasn't filming this, it would have been done a lot sooner. For some reason, everything tends to be more difficult once you're on camera. But you notice there's that back, and I'll be better able to show you how sharp these little, it's not claws, but it's very sharp, and this is why I used the cloth. Now once you have the back and the bottom off there, this all stuff here, I like to clean all of that out. But to make it a little bit easier, what I like doing is the claws, trim off the sort of pointy claws. Oh boy, I've lost a couple of them, but small thing. All you would do, let's cut those off. We're gonna push that into the rubbish. Then I like going down the center, like so. And then here we're gonna wash this part out. Wash this part out with the juice of a lemon or a lime. Gonna hit that a little rinse. We're gonna take that part out. That goes into the rubbish. All of these little, sometimes it's dark. These things are sometimes dark. But all I like doing is giving that a good wash now. Take all of this stuff out of it here. If you wanted, you can cut a piece of the pinchers off, like right here, just about here. And the reason I like doing that is because once I start, whether I'm making callaloo or making curry crab or whatever, that opening, you can crack it as well too. That opening will allow for whatever flavors you like adding to it. I mean, if you're doing a boil, whatever it is you're doing. So again, we're gonna use your thumb, take that out, and we're gonna take the sort of furry sort of inside here. The other thing is, sometimes depending on the variety of crab, it may be furry on the outside. So that's when you're gonna take like your paring knife and you're gonna scrape it all the way. Like all this here, you would dig that out, that kind of yucky stuff. Some people eat it. I ain't grew up eating that, so that is why that goes into the, well, down the sink. And all you would do then, either the juice of a lime or lemon, and you would wash this out. And this one I took the claws off just to show you how much easier. I already ripped it open and all that stuff. You know, some people cook that and they eat that, but I'm on a rocking it. So as I said, just gonna cut it in half, and again we're gonna just peel all this stuff off. We're gonna give that a rinse. If you're into this stuff, well, it's up to you. And that is how easy it is